नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है विपुल राजपूत और स्वागत है आपके चैनल विपुल एजुकेशन पर। आज हम लाए हैं आरबीएसई 2020 क्लास 12 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर यानी अंग्रेजी साहित्य का जो 27 तारीख को पेपर है उसके लिए जो उसकी किताब जो है फिक्शन, ड्रामा और शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, नॉन फिक्शन, इनमें से जो क्वेश्चन बनाए गए हैं, जो क्वेश्चन आते हैं उन क्वेश्चनों का वीडियो। दोस्तों ये जो है किताब आपकी जो बुक्स है फिक्शन, ड्रामा, इंग्लिश लिटरेरी टर्म्स, उनके क्वेश्चंस हैं। इसके अलावा अगर आपको एसे के या रिपोर्ट्स के या अदर भी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की कोई क्वेश्चन चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट में बता सकते हैं, आपको उसका वीडियो मिल जाएगा। चलिए आज का वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। तो देखो पहला क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द थिंग्स दैट रिवेल दैट टू ताओ यंग वाज एजुकेटेड। वे बातें बताइए जो ये दिखाती है कि ताओ यंग शिक्षित थी। तो शी राइट्स ए लेटर टू टेम्पल ऑफिशियल्स दिस शो दैट शी इज एजुकेटेड। वह मंदिर के अधिकारियों को पत्र लिखती है, यह प्रदर्शित करता है कि वह शिक्षित थी। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, वाई डिड ताऊ ताओ यिंग फील नर्वस एंड डिप्रेस्ड व्हेन द टेम्पल ऑफिशियल्स विजिट हर हाउस। When the temple official visit to Tao Yang's house, she felt nervous and depressed mainly because at the moment her house was very messy. She was afraid to thought that if the officials thought her be lazy, they might not believe her. Another reason was her son's presence. She could not predict what would happen. Next question, what was the conflict between the mother and the son? The mother loved her son very much. She wanted to represent herself before him as an ideal mother, but here we can see a conflict between that two. The mother considered him as a small boy, but the son wanted to be seen as a tall. This was the main point of the conflict between the mother and son. Next question is, what does shadow mean in this poem? In this poem, shadow refers to the duty in the lover's personality, their flaws, their secrets, or their district to each other. Next question, what do you understand by deguise? Deguise means false behavior, secrets, and distruths which characters love in the initial stage between two lovers. Who was Krishna Menon and how long did deliver his speech at the UN? Krishna Menon was the leader of the Indian delegation to UN, and his speech latest 9 hour interpreted. Can we achieve importantly through wealth according to Yagnvalakya? No, according to Yagnvalakya, one cannot achieve immortally through wealth. What sort of a seaman and had Captain Hagrid been? Captain Hagrid had been an extremely efficient person for living on land eastward of sea. He was a balanced and retention sort of person. Undoubtedly, he worked as sailor but wanted to go near their seashore to watch innumerable houses and people gathered around firesides. Being a Viger, he was a homesick person. What has been Basic's reaction to Hagrid's ravings? Basic's reaction to old Hagrid's ravings has been very calm and balanced. She listened him silently. She just nods mute expectation to his ravings. Hagrid always expressed fatherly love to her, hence she has been sympathetic towards him. She understands that he always worried and unshaped for his long lost son Harry. For Mercury has a human heart. Pity a human face and love the human from divine and peace the human race explain the city line. Answer, the poet says that vertical of Mercury, pity, love and peace find embodied in human features, heart, face, body and dress. Mercury resides in human heart. Pity is reflected from human face. Love provides human body and like dress, peace makes human legs elegant and civilized. Critical appreciate the poem. The poem Divine's Image is one of William Blake's rhetorical songs. In the poem, he acquits the virtues of Mercury, pity, peace, and love with God as well with men ascertaining certain identity between to the poet calls the virtual of delight and so they are object human prayer in distress and pity in human form good devils in men whom dwell the virtues. The poet progressed the idea that since man is created in the image of God, he humbles God is best utilized. Thus, the poem adopts a didactic tone. What are the two arguments of the people against culture? Many people dislike culture. They agree that cultural stuff, if it will continue to take a great deal of space and time, then we remove it in the present time. They further argue that we are living a new world which had been whipped clean by science from to time to they cannot get appropriate by tradition. Next question is what reason did Mr. Lewis give for the aggressive attitude popular fiction towards classic? Mr. Lewis, in her study to the English novel, shows that though fiction, the bestseller type, has been turned out of the last 200 years. It is only lately released power. She further says that today's popular novelists intend to be famous and aggressive towards their artistic brothers. In such attitude, they are spotted the press and by the cheap libraries. What does Hazlitt have to say about the learned man? Do they possess trace knowledge? Answer about learned men. Hazlitt says that they are kind of men who are untrained readers of books. They have no ideas. Their own are incapable of making independent observation of any subject. They do not possess the knowledge as the content with a sense broad others. Do you think Hazel's views are relevant today? In one, the ignorance of the learned hasn't critics forms education and trustee says that the system the system does not promote true knowledge. It depends must know rating learning which weakens the international strength but show the need today is to educated mind free from all a scholar discipline. What does Minali suffer from? Manjula Naik's young sister Minali is suffering from a disease called min, minigomic cyclot. It is related to nervous system. The upper part of her body is normal, but her body below the waist completely dysfunctional. She spends her entire time to the wheelchair. What are growing pains according to Henry? Henry takes Aurora the change from romantic boyhood clinical maturity takes 15 years but when the change rapidly happens with 15 minutes the pace was very fast. The emotions are highly similar and the person's unable pains such a pains and called grown pains. Describe the old city of Udaipur surrounded by Best and Vale. The old city of Udaipur is surrounded by Best, Bestoined Vale. They are four hug gates with metal spikes Surajpol, Chandpol, Udaipur, and Hathipol. The western side is bounded by Pichola Lake. To the northern is Sajjangarh Hill, once covered with the dense forest. They home the tigers and leopards. There is one man on the road. He was the Grand Palace. There are many havelis made of white marbles and red stones. Who is Pari? How does they come to Jivan Niwas? Pari is the oldest senior most maid in the Haveli. She has hard-working, clever, and devoted her master. She has established a space palace of herself in the Haveli. She has personally attended to the Kanwari Shia. There was a tribal famine in Rajasthan wherein Pari's parents lost their children. So her father brought her to Jivan Niwas for a breeding and safety. As the growing of she began to survive the division. How was Sita brought up in the Haveli by the maids? Lakshmi, a maid servant of the Haveli, was fed up with her husband. She left behind shocking baby and want away. The other maids of Haveli brought up Sita with motherly affection, in spirit keeping a stern eye that treated her with love and care. They did not allow two hay plants in streets. However, the maids scolded Sita, even slapped her when Sita as a annually. Describe the Bhagwan Singh Ji appearance in Haveli. Bhagwan Singh Ji always appeared in the weevils in pure attire. They often wear turban, white loose pants and kurta with high neck long. His mouth hairs beetled his bored face and rosy cheeks. Bihana the gold remained spectacular. His big dark eyes and inquiring look. At the sound he the step Gokul announced his arrival. All the maids become alert. There was a pin drop silence. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो ये जो है आपके जो क्वेश्चंस है वो किताबों से लिए गए हैं। इनमें से अगर आपको एग्जाम में कोई भी क्वेश्चन मिले तो आप हमें ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए। और भी अगर आपको चाहिए कि भी आप चाहते हैं कि और कोई वीडियो इंग्लिश लिटरेचर पर लाई जाए तो आप उसके लिए हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकें। ठीक है दोस्तों, यह था आज का वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, शेयर करना, कमेंट करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद जय भारत। घर रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, तैयारी करते रहें। वेरी ऑल दी बेस्ट।